What's up? Welcome to Largemouth Lunkin. So I got a special thing here today. I got a partial shipment from Enigma Fishing. I got my rods in. Bait casters are still out or pre-ordered. They sold right away, so if you haven't checked those out, incredible bait casters. The HPT Series, the Phenom Series, and then the EC150. Incredible reels, great details. I'll be doing a review on those once those come in. But right now we're going to get into my rods that I got. Just as a review, I have a Phenom 7-foot medium fast action bait casting rod. I also have an HPT medium heavy 7-foot bait casting rod. And I have an HPT 7.2 medium fast drop shot rod, spinning rod. So we're going to get into this unboxing and see what rods I got sent to me. Let's get it started. Let me show you what they come in. Nice big long tube here, sturdy tube to make sure nothing happens to your rods. I've gotten rods before that come in long rectangle cubes. They're crimped. The rod's kind of slightly bent. Could have had pressure on the guide, so it's a pretty scary experience. So with Enigma Fishing, they come in nice and sturdy. So we're going to get into these and see what we've got. Sorry about the noise on these. There we go. It's bumping the table. So I'll pull all these out, and then we'll go over them. Alright, cool. I pulled out all my rods. Now let's take a look at them. So this is my Phenom 7.3 medium heavy. So Enigma Phenom 7.3 medium heavy. I'll be using this for jigs, chatterbaits. I really like the medium heavy line. I have a 7-foot medium in the HTP just for the overall versatility. I use it for a lot of things, from chatterbaits to spinnerbaits to jigs. Occasionally I've thrown square bills on them, especially when I get to, say, like a KVD 2.5, something around that size. I've used my medium heavies. Again, with the Phenom series, it is a 30-ton Japanese Toray blank wrapped with 50-ton X-tape. These have the EVA grips on them. Of course, it has the exposed blank all the way through. Really nice light rod. And I haven't had a 7.3 before, so I actually ordered 2 of these, so I have another one of these coming. This is my HTP 7.6 extra heavy. I want to get into some punching and flipping, also some swim bait action. So 7.6 extra heavy HTP. These are 30-ton, 40-ton blend Japanese Toray blanks. Also wrapped with the 50-ton X-tape. Hand wrap guides. And you can see this the semi-micro guides all the way down. Just an excellently built rod. Absolutely excellent. And to be 7'6", it's incredibly light. And again, this is my flip-in and spin braid rod. Take a look at that there. These feature the cork handles. This is Portuguese cork. Haven't figured out what I like better. Whether it's going to be cork, whether it's going to be EVA, or with my other series rods, as I'll show you in a minute. They also have another handle setup. So 7'6", extra heavy. And from my IPPON series, wow, they come in these awesome leather cases here. Cool thing about these cases is they let you know exactly what's in them. Excuse me. So this is my 7'3" heavy rod. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Look at the color scheme on this. Black, silver, and white. Excellent. So this is my heavy rod. Super light. You look here, it has their patented E-grip, leather type grip. Fantastic. They all feature the see-through or all the way through the shaft blade for sensitivity. So I have to figure out which one of these I like better, which grip. But this is just my heavy. And that's going to be for heavy jigs. Possibly smaller swim baits. Check out the guides on this one here. So yeah, I love these reels. I mean, these rods, they're awesome. This feels great. And I'm left-handed, so this is how I hold my rod. I use a right retrieve on my bait casters. All my bait casters are to come. Like I said, they're on back order right now. But they should be here soon, and I'll be doing a real review. And these cases are just pimp. Just pimp. Excellent for rod storage. And on each one, like I said, you know exactly which rod it is. There's no guessing. Again, an IPPON, so it comes in this case. This is my 6'9" medium light spinning rod, drop shot rod. Like I said, I have the 7.2 HTP medium action, but I wanted something a little bit lighter, a little bit more of a tip when it comes to my drop shot. So the only one I don't have that's spinning is in the Phenom Series. I have an HTP spinning rod, and now I have an IPPON Enigma. You can check out the guides here. And these are Alpine guides. Again, just like the HPT series, this is a 30-40 ton blend, Japanese Toray blank, wrapped with the 50 ton X-tape. What I like about their spinning rods is the forward grip. Not the grip in the back, but the grip up here. So your reel sits right here. You have excellent control, excellent balance. Really helps you in those subtle movements, finesse movements when you're working your bait. And yeah, I like this grip. This is the E-grip here. And down here on the butt once I remove this plastic. Really nice thin rod. Really nice light action. Feels great already. Just laying there in my hand. And generally I like to have one or two fingers. I know some people don't dig the traditional. It helps me with the casting. So when I have two fingers back, I can cast a lot better. And then many times I'll go to just one finger back when I'm working the bait. And I like how in the spinning series, how it rests right there in your palm. And so when you're working that action, it's just a nice natural flow. And I hold it about like this. I don't hold it too heavy until there's fish time. But other than that, real nice and easy to hold it. Excellent. I love this pattern, the black and silver. Right now my casting rods are waiting their bait casters, and you have to stay tuned for my reel review on my HPT Series spinning reel. Again, if you have any questions on these rods, I've had the opportunity to use these rods. I've used my Phenom 7-foot medium action. I use that for my lipless crankbaits. I use that for my smaller spinner baits, and it's worked excellently. Loads nice. I haven't lost any fish on the initial bite. It loads real easy. Doesn't pull the hooks out. Brings them right in. You feel like you have control the whole time. Even with upwards of the 3 and 4 pounders that I've had the experience of catching on my rod. My medium heavy, haven't caught anything on that one yet. In terms of my bait caster, HPT. On my 7.2 medium fast action spinning rod, caught quite a few fish on that, and it handles excellent. So now you tell me which handles you prefer, the EVA, the cork, or the E-grip. Any questions and comments, leave them below. And thanks for watching Largemouth Lunkin.